The Amigo loan's final scheme of arrangement is a court-approved process to provide compensation, known as redress, to customers who were missold unaffordable loans by Amigo loans. This scheme became necessary because Amigo received a huge number of complaints about irresponsible lending, which left the company unable to pay full compensation to all customers while continuing to trade. The scheme's primary objective was to ensure the maximum possible return for eligible customers, known as scheme creditors, given the company's financial situation. The final version of the scheme included a fallback solution, which came into effect when Amigo failed to secure the necessary capital to continue lending. The fallback solution led to the orderly wind-down and eventual liquidation of the Amigo loans business. All money generated from collecting the existing loan book and selling off assets was pooled into a fund for compensation payments. For a claim to be eligible, it had to relate to an Amigo loan and have been submitted before the deadline of November 26, 2022. Once a claim was successfully determined, the customer received an ascertained redress scheme claim value. Unlike typical compensation where customers get back all interest and charges, under the scheme, eligible customers receive a proportion of their claim value. This proportion is the scheme payment percentage. The final total payout percentage for scheme creditors was determined by the amount of money available in the compensation fund. The compensation was split into two main payments, an initial scheme payment and a final additional scheme payment. The scheme has been crucial in settling the liabilities for past mis-selling, allowing Amigo to cease operations and liquidate its main lending subsidiary. The scheme supervisors have now confirmed that the scheme has been fully implemented and that all ascertained claims have been paid according to the terms of the scheme. This marks the definitive conclusion of the process for former Amigo loans customers.